So I basically just, I didn't know what to do with my hair. Hey y'all, welcome back. So in today's video we're going to be doing a Flexi Rod Out set. I am starting out on freshly washed hair and I'm going to be using my chamomile DIY homemade spray. I will link a video if you want to, you know, make it up for yourself. Then I am going to go in with my Anjakis as a leave-in, and then I'm going to be using unicorn tears from Out to the Motherland as my styling agent, or as my styling product. I love this. This is what I use for all my braid outs or twist outs. Now let's get started. You're going to attempt to get your ends and then roll the hair on your ends. It's gonna feel a little bit weird in the beginning, but I promise you're gonna get a hang of it. As you can tell, like I still don't know how to basically hook the Flexi Rod on my hair. It just, it wasn't giving what it was supposed. It's not doing what it's supposed to do, and it was starting to get frustrating. But with a little bit of patience and really just moving it around, I was able to realize that it's better if you hook it from the opposite side you were rolling, basically. So then we're gonna attempt once again, because I'm also new at this. I've done Flexi Rods before, but it's like, I don't know, man, 1 million years ago. And then you're just going to wrap it around. If you want a tighter kind of pattern when you take it out, I suggest that you don't spread out your hair like I am right now, and you kind of just, you know, roll it tight, like closely to each other. And then you're going to try again to make sure that you tuck in your ends, and then you roll on your ends. You roll your hair on your ends, and then you just continue to swirl up, and then you're going to turn the rod on the opposite side of where you are rolling, so then it can have like a thick hold, like not thick roll, like very strong hold. Then it's the following day, and this is how my hair was looking. I waited about 2 days to before I took them out, and this is the result. I was pretty shocked. I mean, you guys can tell my face. I was pretty like shocked at how well it came out. But I have to give it out to Unicorn Tears, guys. If there's any product that, you know, you do want to try from Out to the Motherland, I would highly recommend Unicorn Tears, especially because, you know, I use it all the time if I want to do like a particular style. Also, it gets me excited to know that I'm going to be using a good product. Therefore, it encourages me to actually, you know, style my hair. You guys know how I feel about styling my hair. I don't like it, but when I have a product such as this one, it just makes my life like so much better, because I know it's going to turn out right, you know. It never disappoints, and this was the final result. I loved it. I missed my scalp, so I'm just, you know, giving it a nice scratch, and this is the result. Even when I was separating the Flexi Rod Out set, it still looked very nice, but I'm not gonna lie, it didn't last more than a day. So I am done. I hope you guys are looking cutie. So I basically just, I didn't know what to do with my hair. I didn't know how to style it, so I went with the safest option, because you guys saw when I started to take down my Flexi Rod Out, it was falling like this. So I thought, let me just leave it that way, and it will give you like a nice full brown fringe like look. I don't know, do I look cute? You guys must let me know, do I look cute? And then I did a purple look, because why not? I feel like I have lost weight, and this top is supposed to stick like this here on my shoulders and look cute, but it ain't. It's not doing what it's supposed to do. So we're just gonna, you know, broaden my shoulders, fake it till we make it kind of vibes. But you guys must let me know, do you like it? Do you see yourself testing while trying out Flexi Rods? I decided to go for like the really thin ones, because I don't know, man, I just went for these ones because I had a lot of these ones, and I didn't want the inconsistency of different sizes. What I will do next time is I will twist my hair on the Flexi Rod much tighter and closer, so that when it comes out it looks like a bantu knot, instead of separating my hair, like spreading my hair out throughout the whole Flexi Rod. So I think next time I'm going to do that, just like tighten it to one space and then just tie it and just see how it goes. And then for the styling product I use Unicorn Tears. You guys know how much I love Out to the Motherland's products. With this one, I have to say, you know, when coming to the strands, my hair looks very shiny. You guys saw that. I liked it. I think the only thing I'm a little bit concerned about is my roots. They do look a little bit dry, and you guys know that anytime you're going to be styling your hair, stay away from oil, because oil is going to weigh your hair down and then your hair won't be able to hold definition. So that's why I didn't use any oil, but I can tell that, you know, I have to moisturize, which then you guys must join me in my next video, because we're gonna discuss how am I supposed to moisturize my hair when it's out like this, okay? Like, because I don't know, like, when am I? Also, the fluffiness, I like the whatever ingredients was used in unicorn tears, they're like thebomb.com, because look at the fluffiness, look at the movement in my hair. I really like it. It's feeling very lightweight, and you know, I really like the consistency of the product. I don't think if I have used any other product my hair would have turned out like this, no lies, but I do want for unicorn tears to have a little bit of more moisture, maybe, especially if it's going to be a styling slash, for me, I would want the perfect unicorn tears for me would also moisturize my hair. I know that sounds a lot, like it sounds like a lot, like, you know, it's a styling product. I think I'm asking way too much, but I don't know, maybe the gods will be on my side and somehow out to the motherland will just formulate something, you know, that will also moisturize my hair, because I love unicorn tears as a styling agent. You guys can see the results speak for themselves, darling. You guys tell me, is it giving? Is it serving? Am I giving 90s babe? Yes. High cheeks for life. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I really went out of my way for this one. I even did a whole entire makeup look for it, so y'all better like, y'all better subscribe. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next video, and bye for now.